Welcome. My name is Randy Jenny, and this is a short video demonstrating a projected increase in Excel. It's aimed primarily at MacEwan University students taking business computing, and you can download the Excel highlights file using the link below. I'm going to put my cursor in H19. So the idea here is we know the sales for 2013 and for 2014, but we're going to make an educated guess on what sales for 2015 are going to be. So our guess is that they are going to be 3% higher than the previous year. Here's how I can build the formula, and I'm going to show you two variations on this formula. So I'm going to go equals G19 times the 3%, but I need to make the 3% an absolute cell reference. So I'm going to press F4 to add the dollar signs so that if I do fill this formula across or down, the F16 stays constant. It's locked in place. I need to finish off the formula by putting in plus G19. So in other words, the previous cell times the 3% plus the original value that's in G19. So my new amount for 2015 should be 3% higher than the previous year. I could fill that across. I could fill that down. And it would fill in all of the appropriate values. So in other words, each year is increasing by 3%. Now I'm just going to hit undo a few times, and I'm going to build a slightly different formula. If this one makes more sense to you, then by all means use this formula. So I'm going to go equals the previous cell, G19, times, and this time I need brackets. I'm going to go bracket 100% plus the 3%. And again, I need to make the 3% cell absolute by pressing F4. So the logic here is it's 103%, 100% plus 3%, times the previous cell. So if that makes more sense to you, by all means use that formula. Again, I could fill it across, and I could then fill those three cells down, and that's it. Thanks for watching.